Alright guys, so this is the last balm from the September Rebel box, which is the Witch's Starter Kit. This one is the cat, and it's scented in Boogeyman. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Hang on, y'all. I just realized I don't have that darn faucet covered up again. It smells so good. It's like, if I can explain it, to me, it's kind of like, it's like a little bit of a manly like scent. A little bit. It's got like a base of a good smelling man and cinnamon. That's the only way I can describe it. It smells really good. Which is why I did it last, is because I wanted to hang on to it for a little bit, and that little kitty cat is cute. I've been eyeballing a bunch of shops, y'all. I've been trying to wait and see. I don't know, y'all. It never fails. Like, I will place an order. I'll see some balms, and I'm like, oh, they got their stuff out, and I'll place an order. And I'll be daggoned, like, the next day they'll come out with another balm. I'll see it on Instagram, and I'm like, ah. And I hate to just go get one balm and then have to pay that shipping, you know. But I have, and I will. But it doesn't mean I like it. It's one of those necessary evils, I suppose. Oh, this smells so good. It's a good fall scent. All that spice. It's nice. I'm trying to move my hand around here. This little guy, it does float. I'm just trying to keep him here. Look how cute he is. No. She has started making wax tarts and stuff. Well, I shouldn't say started, because she's made them for a while now, but she's just making more of them. I just got my hands on something that's awesome, and I cannot wait for it to come in. She made a big jar of these tiny little skull wax melts, and I cannot wait for them to come in. This would be great in a wax melt. Hint, hint. Nudge, nudge. You know, that sort of thing. I love it. But I like spicy. But now it's not overly spicy, y'all. I mean, if you don't like cinnamon, the cinnamon would probably stand out more for you. But it's not like some of the cinnamons. It's kind of mellow. It hangs out in the background. Most of what I smell is like, I don't know, kind of the slightly like a perfume or cologne like scent, but it's not really strong. It's a good marriage of the two, the spicy and the kind of like the cologne smell. It's nice. Or to my nose anyway, y'all. I should say that. To me, that's what it smells like. Yeah, I would love to see this one in a wax melt. I'd be all over that. Okay. So this was the smallest of the balms in the box. And this water feels good, even though it's a little bitty balm. Or a smaller balm, I guess I should say. It wasn't little bitty, I've seen smaller. But, oh, and that smell, I think it's going to stick on my hand, y'all. I like when they get like that and they're bubbling. Y'all gotta forgive the popping and the cracking, y'all. I have like an older house, and when it warms up through the day, that's all this house does is pop and crack and make weird noises and squeak, and it's just odd. But I suppose that goes along with getting old, right? I like that neon green color. I love that she's getting these new fragrances in. Some of these really awesome, more fall time fragrances. That's what I like. I know everybody's different, but I like the fall kind of spicy. I do like the sweet. I'm not the biggest on bakery though. I don't know, it's weird though. It's certain bakeries that I don't like. Look at the pretty colors. They even look more like fall colors. There's like some red and gray, blue and green. It's like a muted, it's a darker blue. It's pretty. All right, let's mix this guy up and see what we got here. I can already tell it's a pretty color. It's a darker teal-like color. As always, it's showing up it's probably a shade darker than what it actually is, but now this shade, this color is dark. It's pretty though, but it's not this dark. See, look at that. It's like teal and gray had a baby. That's what it's like, because it's just a little deeper. I wish I could get this darn phone to pick up the colors like they're supposed to be. But, you know, first world problems, y'all. Alright, guys. So, as you can see, we get bubbles if I worked at it. I see a little bit of sparkle in the water, probably from the cat's collar. I'm going to turn on my flash real quick so I can see, because I think they're shimmer. Let's see. Look. It's got a little bit of like the shimmer in there. That swirly shimmer. I bet if this balm was just a little bit bigger, it would be even more pronounced, because you can really see it here. It's hard with this phone, but you can see it under there trying to get started. Look at that. He's so pretty. All right, let's see here. Let's work this, see if we get us some bubbles, because I can tell it's going to make them. Hey, you can see where I'm working the water, you can see the color of it a little better, the true color. So you will get some bubbles from it. It's a very pretty color. It's different. I don't think I've seen one of her balms this particular shade yet. The scent is awesome. I love it. It smells so good. And the water feels good. Look, get my reflection. Alright, guys. So that's the last one from September's box. I'm going to have to order me some more balms, because all I've got left is like, I think I have one more balm. No, I've got 2 more balms from her. I've got a balm from Pop Natural to do, a couple balms from her, and then all I've got left is like some of my summer balms. Yeah, gotta get me some more fall stuff, y'all. All right, look, you can see the shimmer in there. Y'all have a good one.